and welcome back to the dumpster fire that is this channel. So in today's video we're just making pins for the baby shower, and so these are for the baby shower game of like don't say baby or whatever, where you start out with a certain amount of pins, and then if you say baby at any time somebody can take the pin from you. What was I gonna say? Typically you can just, if you're going to play this game, you can just get the pins by themselves and do it that way. It's no big deal. I've also seen people play it with like tiny babies and they call it the babysitter game, or I think people have done it with ducks as well. Whatever you want, whatever fits your theme. I did clothespins, and then I also spray painted them because why would I make anything easy upon myself? So that's what this video is. Hope you enjoy. Welcome back. How you doing? How you been? I hope you've been well. 2020 and 2021 they are just a dumpster fire for a lot of people. So I hope that it's going well for you. I hope that you're doing well mentally, emotionally, spiritually,
All right,
physically.
so here we have the clothespins. We all know what those look like, but I'm going to show you a picture of them anyway. I think there was 100 in the pack that I bought. It's like 100 for $3. I think that's accurate. I think I'm just straightening them up here. Oh, and then I was like, oh, I'm going to do two-tone, so let me just tape off the edges or the ends, and I'm only going to spray paint the other ends. Yeah, that was a better sentence in my head. Then I just go through, yeah, I think there was 100. So one side is 50. No. They were in packs of 25 because I think I did 4 colors. And if you pay really close attention, not only will you see a poorly manicured hand, but you'll also see a planner because I pretend like an organized person. And in reality, I'm not. So that's nice. In hindsight, you really don't have to tape it off. I don't know why. I think I thought it was going to look cool. It didn't turn out bad, in all honesty, but like I don't know why I was so adamant about taping them. Like I couldn't tell you. I don't know. I don't know. I wish I did, but I don't. And I'm just lining them up to get a better finish. I don't know. Guys, I really don't know what I'm doing here. Like if you could tell me, that would be great because I don't know what I was thinking. And I don't know. I really don't. I couldn't tell you. So here I am spray painting, and I, because I like to plan my life out and, go according to that plan all the time. I was actually spray painting at night, because, I don't know, you just gotta do what you gotta do. And then I like how oh, I only sprayed one side. I'm stupid. Anyway, these are the different sprays that I used. So I used a light blue from whatever can that was I just showed you, and then I did a Rust-Oleum purple. It's like a purple lilac, I think it was. And then I also did a Rust-Oleum gray, which I think is next. Or, nope, I did the Rust-Oleum green, and this is the same green that I used in a previous project. I don't know. And I really like this green. I think the color is satin. I could be wrong. That's not right. I don't know. This one is a Rust-Oleum Ocean Mist. Sorry, I did not do a gray. Maybe I did. Listen, I'm gonna watch this with you and figure out what I did. I apparently edited this video together like too far along for me to remember what the hell I did. And I've done so many different projects in the time frame between then and now. Okay, so I've got a light blue. I struggled with the caps. That's why it takes so long from the setting them down to the spraying them. It's because I struggled with getting the caps off because I'm an adult and I suck at adulting. So I did a really light blue, like sky blue kind of thing. Then that green, just like a mossy green. Beautiful green. I love it. Like if I could do my entire life in that green, I probably would. And I don't know why I put the cap. I only did that for the green one, I think. Guys, what the hell am I doing? Ah, I love that purple. Like, I really love that purple. Also, as you could probably imagine, I freaking got spray paint all over my phone and camera. Like the dust, the spray paint. Oh no, a bug. Oh no. Hmm. Anyway, just spray paint these bad boys. So I was doing this for the baby shower game where it's like don't say baby. You start off with a certain amount of pins. You're not supposed to say baby. If you do say baby, then somebody can take your pin, and whoever has the pins or the most pins at the end of the game or baby shower, whatever, wins. Um, and here I am fighting with how to position this. God, look at my long, beautiful hair. Oh my God. Oh, I miss it. I miss it so much. Ugh, we won't talk about it. Here I am trying to make a space for myself and my messy ass house that I clean like once a year. Um, you know, the usual. I found that baby blanket at the dollar store. I actually got a couple of them like that, and I didn't know what I was going to use them for. I've had this basket for since I don't the dawn of time. I don't know where I got it from. Uh, I don't know what it was for at the beginning, but I now I have it and I use it when I can. I believe my niece used it at my wedding because she was a flower girl. And now it's going to hold these pins. Just kidding. I ended up not using this thing. Just because I couldn't figure out how to place it and it just didn't look good in the basket no matter how hard I tried. I think I first start out with like just throwing them all in there, and then I was like, no, let me mix the colors. And then I was like, no, that looks stupid. Then I was like, let me fix it, and that ended up looking stupid as well. Somewhere in this video, you'll see me react to my husband playing video games in the next room. Um, he was playing some, I don't know, war simulator game, and all you hear, which I've cut out, he's just like being loud and obnoxious and a dude. Comment down below if you want to know what he said. I'll let you know what my reaction is. Oh, look, there's a baby senor. Oh, little sweet baby, little kitty kitty, meow meow. I don't know. Anyway, whatever. Here I am just taking the tape off, trying to figure out my life, wondering why I've signed up to do this. Just kidding. I did it because I love my best friend and it's a baby shower. We're excited. But I'm definitely questioning all of my decisions at this point. There it is. There it is. And now I've wondered why I've married this guy. Anyway, if you want to know what he said, just comment down below. I'll share it. Otherwise, we'll just let that be between he and I. He's stupid, so it was something stupid he said. Here I am showing you all the pins and the mistake that I have made by trying to place them all on my lap because I thought my lap was bigger, I guess. I don't know. And at this point, I'd like to tell you guys this. I do a lot of DIYs. Okay, I feel like I do a lot of DIYs. Sometimes I feel like I don't do anything. Sometimes I feel like I don't put out enough DIYs. And I'm new at this whole creating content stuff, so my camera angles are trash. My editing is trash. My voiceover is trash. Listen, everything about this is trash. But at the end of the day, I have a good time. And I hope that you're watching this and being like, oh man, she flounders a lot. But in the end, it kind of looks a little decent. Maybe I too can flounder a lot and come out with something half decent in the end. You can. I promise you. It's possible. It is possible. Because all it does is take a little zhuzhing and fidgeting. And here I'm a dummy and I'm like, let me clip it onto the basket itself. And at some point, I did clip these pins on there and it was working. And I was pretty proud of myself. I was like, oh my God, I can't believe this is working. And then it like shot off and like hit me in the face. So I decided not to pin it on the basket at that point. Fun fact, I did end up not using this basket for this particular project and this particular thing in the baby shower. However, I did buy some baby loteria stuff off of Etsy, and I'm going to end up using this basket for the baby loteria. So that's exciting. But it just takes some. There it goes. That's when it hit me. And I'm like, you know what? It's fine. Now, something you don't see is I set this basket up and I'm like, you know what? This is it. This is just how it's going to look. And I set it off to the side for a couple of days. And I gave myself a couple of days to think about it, to decide if this is how I want it to be, if I like it or not. You can tell in this video I'm not sold on it. And then I come up with this. Okay, now I put all these pins around the edge, and then I was like, that looks dumb. So I took them all down. That I did not end up with all these pins around the edge. I think I was trying to advertise that this bucket had pins. I don't know what my obsession was with putting pins on the edging of the container. Like, I don't know why I wasn't just okay with dumping all the pins into this bucket. It's what I ended up doing in the end, and it looks just fine. I think I also nixed the blanket. I was trying to incorporate this blanket that I bought from the... Okay, so here's the problem. I got way too excited, okay? And I bought way too much stuff. I will find a use for all of it, by the way. But I got a little excited. I'm not allowed to go to the dollar store. I'm not allowed to go to Five Below. I spend way too much money in there. It's $1. It's $5. I shouldn't walk out of there spending what I spend, but I do. So I'm trying to incorporate this blanket to make it worth the dollar that I spent. The fucking dollar that I spent on it. I'm trying to make it worth that. What is wrong with me? I know. I end up nixing the blanket. We don't use that. We use this tin, which is from the dollar store actually, but I got it for my wedding. I had a bunch of them, and so I just reused it, repurposed it. I stuck all the pins in there. I took the pins off the edge because it didn't look good that way. And you know what? It ended up turning out okay. For a little quick, easy game, it's fine. It works out just fine. But yeah, that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the outro. Pray for me, because God help me, man. God help me.
Anyway, hope you enjoyed that poor demonstration, that poor explanation of something that you probably didn't need explained to you, but here I am to explain things that don't need explaining. It's what I do. It's what I'm here for. That's why we call it the dumpster fire channel. That's not really what we call it, but that's what it should have been called. But then I feel like people would have gone to it thinking like, oh, I'm gonna see a dumpster fire, like an actual whatever. It's been fun. Stay tuned for more videos. My cats are trying to break into the room, so I guess that's my sign that the video is over. I'll see you guys in the next one when we do something else. Maybe it'll be baby shower themed. It will probably be baby shower themed. There's way too many baby shower projects that I have to finish on top of other projects that I was working on. So yeah, that's that on that. That's that on this. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. And yeah, bye. What if I just did the intro as like, welcome back to that was awful. You guys, I am dying. I've sat here for hours and hours trying to figure out why my audio comes out so quiet on this particular program, and I cannot figure it out. So I'm so sorry. I have uploaded this video and deleted it because the audio was like barely there. So this is the worst intro hopefully you'll ever see. I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't hate me. Don't stop following me because I can't get my shit together. But I promise you that like in the recording of the video and then watching it and editing the video itself, the volume is like immaculate. And then I pull it over to the program that I'm using to mash everything together, and the volume is like so tiny you can't even hear it. It's like I'm whispering. I'm like, what the fuck is that? Like, what are you doing? Like, what's happening here? So it's fine. I'm gonna have to figure that out. In the meantime, here's this poorly made DIY. Quick intro to it is that it's for the game Don't Say Baby. You start off with a certain amount of clothespins. If somebody hears you say baby, they get your clothespin. The person with the most clothespins at the end of the game wins. You really don't need an intro to this. It's not necessary. This video is not even necessary. You don't even have to, like, it's like, there's no point. That was dramatic for no reason. But yeah, sorry guys. I'm at my wit's end here. I really don't. I don't know. I'm gonna have to cry. And then I don't want to uninstall the program and reinstall it because I don't want to lose any of the work that I'm like currently working on that's not saved directly to the computer. It's a whole thing, and it's not. I'll have to figure it out. It's not for you guys to worry about, whatever. But yeah, so I intro, outro, all that jazz. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're not wanting to pull all your hair out like I am, or shave it all off. Having a very moment. But yes, hope you enjoy this. If this video comes out really quiet, I'm probably just gonna scream and go to bed because I just don't, I feel like I have to reset. Also, my cat accidentally attacked me, and you can't see the big one because I've got eye makeup on, but it's pretty bad. Maybe I'll add some pictures at the end if this works. If not, this was a waste of a whole 2 minutes. Wow, Hannah, for shame. Anyway, sorry it's so shaky. I will see you guys in the next video. Long, dramatic intro for no reason. Over. I'll see you guys. Bye.